Hey guys, and welcome to our channel, Cerebral Palsy Daily.
I'm Steve.
And I'm Dustin. We hope you enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to Cerebral Palsy Daily. Today, I'm going to try to buckle the seatbelt in the van. Based on the success of my other seatbelt video, I decided to try to do this one and see if it was as successful as the other one. I don't know if you've seen the other seatbelt video, but I tried to demonstrate how hard it is for me to put my wheelchair seatbelt on, so I'm going to try this one. Here goes nothing. First I gotta walk in to my van. If you've watched the lift video, then you've seen me do all this, but I gotta do this stuff first.
Can we see you bang your head?
I also have shorts where I do that.
Classics.
Part 1 and part 2.
Let's do part 3.
I'd rather not.
Let's have a three-peat.
That's pretty painful. Okay, now I'm locked in. A turn. I've grabbed the seatbelt. If I can reach it.
Hope there ain't a train coming.
Right. Trying to get this thing to work. Try to grab the seat. Okay. I don't know why they put it on the left side, because, whoops, the left side is my bad side. Dang it. Okay. Gotta get straight. Turn back around, and then see, grab the thing that it plugs into, and I'll try to pull it across my body.
That's as far as I can go. I don't think you're going to be able to reach it, bud.
I don't think so either, but I'll try. Now I got it. I think.
This is going to be some poor filming.
That's alright. Steve's trying to help me get it unstuck. If you wonder why the film's bad, and then you pull it across there, and I'll hold it and see if you can get the thing, and I'll try to plug it in. This is supposed to be designed where I can do it myself, but I don't think it's turning out too well. Almost. I don't think I'm strong enough to push it farther.
Gonna have to do some more crunches.
Mm-hmm. We'll see. Okay. I tried. Well, guys, that's all I got to say about that.
So don't
Forget
to
like,
and
subscribe.
yeah.
Yeah.